How to add widgets in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now, here on the right top, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. So now we're in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can make different customization. Now slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called widget. Simply tap on widget. So this is the place where you can add different widgets to your home screen. So you can customize it and simply tap on this add button. So basically here are three type of widgets. So tap on the one that you want to enable. So here simply tap on the widget that you want to add it. So after that it will be added in your home screen and you'll be directed to it too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.